My neighbor has a bunch of sand and she just wants to get rid of it. So I'm thinking to myself, well, Dad, why can't we use this sand for something in our garden? So in this video, we're gonna be doing something with sand in the garden. What are we gonna do with it? I don't really know. Let's go. What's going on, my planet people? I'm the ADHD gardener where I use gardening, houseplants, and humor as a form of mental health therapy. Dad, subscribers, Dad, he's back. As you can see here, I definitely have my keys and I certainly didn't lose them. But where is my other earring? I don't know. He didn't go anywhere at all, but right now we have a bunch of sand.
It's free.
Free 99. So basically, what are we gonna do with it? This is not exactly the best type of sand that you'd be using for your garden, but we have it and it's free 99. So we're gonna see what can we do with this sand in my sister's garden, because if you've been following my sister's garden the entire time, you know, she's been working with some really heavy clay ground. So we're thinking to ourselves, why not just dump a bunch of sand in there and see if it'll work with the whole, not moisture retention, but moisture draining. And that's technically what sand does. If you have a lot of sand in your ground or in your, your garden beds, a lot of that sand drains a lot of the moisture. So if you think about it, if you have a clay-ridden soil, like my sister does, if you add sand, do you think it will work out with the drainage part or not?
Like and subscribe. Hit the notification bell.
Let you start from down, and then you go, you can find her on Facebook and Instagram.
What do you think will happen? Let me know down in the comments below. Have you used sand before in your garden? Would you use sand? And if you do use sand, what kind of sand would you use?
This is like a leveling sand. It looks like it was used under her pool, so you won't want sand that's just gonna run off. You know what I mean? Like it is.
Damn, that's pretty
You know, mixed with clay soil and some compost. It'll help. It'll help. It has to.
It has to, because it's free.
It's going in, no matter what.
All right, we are totally here. All right, so what's up with this sand? Does not looking the best, but
It's not looking the best, but look, we're placing it near the garden because we know this bird netting is gonna have to come off. We're gonna do the fence this fall, and hopefully before we put the fence back up, we may even get a few more yards of compost. You know what I mean?
mix it all together.
Mix it in, but before that, this month, them chickens gotta go in there.
That's right. That's for another video. Hey!
Month and a half.
Tell everybody. Tell my, how's it going on this rainy, cold day?
It's going.
Speaking of chickens, this is what Dad and I were discussing, that those chickens got to go in your garden. They got to go.
I know
Your garden's done.
Last, get every little bit of it. Them chickens got a good month. And not only that, we still got the bird netting. So prop up the bird netting so the chickens don't fly away. Put in the chickshaw right in there.
Ooh, good idea.
Put the chickshaw in there.
It does. It sounds like so much work. Like,
Ah!
that bird netting is
Everything,
the worst.
Every way up to the first couple of weeks of December. You want to be in there after December 15th?
Nope.
Probably not. So get them chickens in there. Let's get the chickshaw in there. You got to pull up all that irrigation. The irrigation has to be pulled up, okay? Forget that.
It's true. It's a lot of work.
You have to pull up the irrigation. You have to prop that up. You have to get the chickens in there, okay? All right.
Say it again.
This homestead thing for her is just the beginning. It's just beginning. You're nowhere near. You need to chop.
You do. It's a lot. It's a lot of work, though. It's a lot of work. She's one woman.
one woman.
Yeah, well. But this is the way it is. You think this is a beautiful day to be doing this?
No.
I think it's not bad.
It's actually pretty decent.
Actually, you know what? Cooler weather is always nicer to work in the garden. Than when it's hot. When it's hot. This is what happens when it's hot and you got gardening to do.
That's how you feel, like those sunflowers.
That's what happens. Look, I thought stuff growing.
Wait, what?
We're gonna turn to mold.
You do. I still have stuff growing too, but I kind of let it go. I did.
Off the water too.
No, but I'm saying just the cold. Remember what happened to mine last
Hey, you got some? Oh yeah. You know what? Tell everybody what kind of produce did you still get for the first year?
I got some peppers.
See, that worked out.
They never really got that much bigger than this.
Okay.
Some of them were literally the size of my fingernail.
But still, you still got something.
So I got
Hope.
these. I did get some tomatoes, so I do have, and this tomato plant, I don't remember where I got it from, but I still am getting some tomatoes around. And
Oh yeah, you got a lot of tomatoes right over there
I
too.
just got some tomatoes. The cucumbers starting to grow again, although it didn't do all that great. I still have some jalapenos here that are growing, some chili peppers.
Your zinnias are doing amazing. I'm gonna take some seeds.
Yeah, the zinnias are.
If you've seen my video on zinnia collection, I will drop that link down in the description below. Ooh, this is a nice one.
These are blackberries
Nice.
and my raspberry bushes.
Oh, so it did work out.
No. Here, 25 right here. 25 right here. All right. Jackie, count the clumps.
Count the clumps. I'm on it. Count the clumps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, where Erica's boot is, and then 8. And you know what it looks like? It looks like a pile of cow poop.
33, 34. Look, wait a minute. It's 34. Why? So you want to give yourself about a good 8 feet, okay, between the garden and your plants, so you can get your mower through there.
Hey, what?
Okay. Now, 3, 6.
What? What is? Oh, is that for?
I need to drill some holes. So again, my measuring tape is between the car seats, okay? And you put in there, and you divide the amount of Rosa Sharons that you have by how many you want. I say flop about 6 of those there. Okay? 3.
I wasn't ready. I wasn't ready.
Okay, well, the reason why Dad is doing all of this, well, at least the plotting of sand or whatever, is Erica would like to put some trees or some shrubs right here. So all of the Rose of Sharons, remember, if you've seen my Rose of Sharon shorts and all that, those very same Rose of Sharon seedlings that constantly drop, we want to be planting them in front of Erica's garden right here. And that's what Dad is talking about. And Erica's face looks just like, exactly. She's not enthused.
Now give me a clump of dirt.
I don't have gloves on.
You don't need gloves for a clump of dirt. Come on, we go get nice. Okay, I borrow one. Come on. We want to plant the Rose of Sharon in a container.
Why in a container?
So when they come around here weed whacking, they don't kill the plant. You drop the whole bucket in there, and you leave about a 2 or 3 inch lip above ground, right?
Uh-huh.
So then when
Oh, so it protects the stem so it
Right.
doesn't get,
with the
oh.
weed whacker. Okay?
Ah, smart.
She has a 6x6 post.
Damn, bro, that thing is huge.
That's what she said.
Oh, I knew it. Yo, I was thinking the same thing.
I dropped it.
Oh, man. I was thinking that in my head. I was like, yo, that's what she said.
Careful with the holes, of course. Don't step on me, break your ankle. Thing you could do is find a smaller bucket or planter,
Container.
little container that fits right in there.
So we're not taking the plant out of the bucket. We're putting the bucket in there.
Of course, you're gonna cut out the bottom of it.
This is beyond.
Go get it.
This is nice zinnias. Is this like multiples or one and then a bunch of them? See, this is nice.
And the tomatoes, I got strawberries.
Yeah, mixed with a lot of weeds. Oh, your little kale. You kale.
Look, tomatillos
Hey, you do.
for my favorite enchilada. Soy sauce or con salsa verde.
That's not bad.
Delicious.
I like you. Yo, your scallions, your green
I
onions.
got a big old red radish.
That look really good.
Yeah, my scallions are looking good.
And my mic was in the pocket, so I don't even know if I grabbed any of that.
Anyway,
Oh, hey, if you repeat it, that means you understood the assignment. Oh, ooh, good one.
Okay, so this goes, I cut off the bottom
Uh-huh, you do.
and I put this in the hole.
You do.
Then I leave yay much sticking out.
Uh-huh, yes.
So, and then I put the plant in the hole. And then when I cut the grass and trim, I don't chop the tree
Correct.
down, the bush. Yes?
Yes.
There we go. Good job.
I did it!
That sounds good. Sounds like a plan. And then we'll come back on another time. Don't stick around with people for the latest installment on Erica's Garden. It has to do with chickens.
What do I need to put dirt in that? Oh, stupid question.
The dirt,
That is stupid.
You feel that?
the
I gotta
dirt,
put dirt in that, right?
the dirt now is around the hole.
Put the dirt.
If you wait, that dirt will wash away.
Put the dirt.
Now put the pot in
the pot.
quickly. The
Put
next
this
day or
pot.
two,
Then
then move the
put
dirt,
the
put the dirt around it. Do not fertilize.
Why not? Why are you not
They're
fertilizing?
getting ready to go into dormancy. Why would you want them to be trying to, you know?
This is very true. Sounds like a lot of work. I'm out. I'm out. Until next time. Where'd you go? Until next time, everybody. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did enjoy this video, smash that like button. Don't forget to subscribe. I also live stream every other Sunday. Don't forget about that. Until next time, until the next episode, you guys, where you and me both are going to be growing our happiness one plant at a time, one day at a time. Check you out later. Peace out.